Sapa House. The whole building may have been bought by Vietnamese, is it? When did this place become Sapa House? Beautiful Chevy. Municipality building. That's the it's now United Dallas Law Center. Historic Dallas. Smell of urine. Oh my goodness. Get to where I have to get to. There's no transport. You have to walk. You have to walk through this spaghetti junction of all these interstates. There's Baco, city of Baco. Interstate 5. This is Dallas that you don't see. Yeah. Crumbling Dallas. This is not where your accountancy firms are based. This is not where your church is. This is where everything is trashed. Yeah. Where your everyday folks don't walk. Dallas Library, folks. Beautiful. Dallas Library. Look at this, lynching in America. Somehow in 1863, enslaved black men were falsely accused of arson. Enraged, the enslavers of white residents in Dallas, the 3 men were lynched by the white mob, and an order was issued that every enslaved black person should be whipped. As a warning. What? what a journey we've lived. And there's music on this square now. So all these buildings were built with by lynching? No. Don't let anyone down, not just you. Let you down. What a poignant and relevant song. It's absolutely poignant. I guess nobody ever really told me. Ooh, she told me. Yes, she told me good. AT&T district. Words of Martin Luther King is dripping down that beautiful water feature until the justice rolled down like waters and righteousness like a mighty stream. The words of Martin Luther King.